This intricate herringbone pattern tells a story spanning decades. Each scar represents a season of sustainable.
Morning, peace as always.
Yes, put it right here. One moment.
Hey, save some coffee for me.
And pull. Steady, steady, keep it coming up. Keep it steady, push hard now. Almost through, watch the alignment. Okay, I got it, keep going.
The rebound test is critical for determining the viscoelastic properties and readiness of the compound.
The rubber begins its journey in the rough mill, then moves to the intermediate stage, and finally the finishing mill, achieving the desired gauge.
Make sure they are spread evenly.
Send up the next batch. We are ready for more.
This side-by-side view highlights the dramatic transformation. The fresh, cream-colored sheet contrasts sharply.
Surface defects are minimal. This lot meets the RSS Grade 3 requirements.
RSS2 over here. Got it. Need another RSS3.
This is the highest quality natural rubber, RSS1 grade. Notice the perfect stack and the clean.
Watch the forklift coming through on the left. Okay, sending the next bale down. Okay, bring it down slowly right there. Looks good. Next one, ready?
Across the globe, raw rubber is rapidly transformed. From massive tire factories to sterile glove production lines.
In countless ways, often unseen, natural rubber is vital to the modern world, securing our lives and progress.
The data confirms our hypothesis. The yield is significantly improved.
Excellent work. This is exactly the
From these rows in Southeast Asia, the rubber industry stretches across the globe, connecting us all. From above, the geometric patterns of the rubber trees dominate the landscape.
Morning dew clings to the trifoliate leaves, highlighting the intricate vein structure essential for photosynthesis.
After centrifuging, the raw latex separates into 3 distinct layers: the rubber particles, the serum, and the protein layer.
The raw latex is carefully measured via pipette before centrifugation. This process separates the distinct layers,